Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be different than anything I've done before on my channel, but I'm super excited about it. This is going to be a thrift with me, try on haul, and craft video all combined. First up, you're going to see the footage of me shopping today and finding the most amazing jeans at a thrift store. And then I'm going to be upcycling them and trying them on for y'all. I'm going to be getting mom jeans and turning them into high-waisted shorts, which I'm so into this season. I cannot get enough of it. So if you want to hang out with me, thrift with me, see how I transform these jeans, and just keep on watching. I am at Carm, one of my local thrift stores, and I am so excited because I found a pair of Levi's and some two LL Bean mom jeans I'm going to try on, and some Lucky jeans. So let's try these on and see how they look. Okay, first up is the Levi's. I'm bummed because they are huge, and I feel like with mom jeans it's all about the butt. They still have to look good on the butt, and these don't really look good on the butt. So if I was gonna get them, I would cut them into shorts. They do fit at the waist. They're a little bit at the waist, but I just don't think they'd be flattering. So I'm gonna have to pass on these, which I'm really sad about because this is the first pair of Levi's I have found when thrifting. Boo. So let's go on to the next. So the last batch of jeans ended up being a dud. The Levi's that I found in the women's department were huge. And then those two pairs of LL Bean mom jeans were lined with fleece. So those are not gonna work. And then the two pairs of Lucky jeans were super low rise, and that is not my style. But I just found this pair of Levi's in the men's department and I'm freaking out. These are like the best jeans I've ever found in my life. So I'm about to show you. These are the perfect jeans. My butt looks amazing. I'm definitely gonna cut these into like high-waisted shorts, and they are just like literally the absolute perfect fit. And they are Levi's, and they are only $9, so I'm so freaking excited about this. I almost even just like them on their own. I might even just leave them, but this was a win, 100% win. Okay, next up is this pair of Wranglers that I also found in the men's department, and I like these because they're even more high-waisted, and they also look kind of cute on the butt. I like that they're like worn. You can tell that someone probably wore these for years, but I really like these, and these are only $7.99, so I think that I'm going to get these too. They're obviously super long. Obviously I would make these into shorts too, but I think I'm gonna get these. Okay, so you just saw me shopping in Carm, which is like one of the best thrift stores in Knoxville, and I also donate to them all the time. When my best friends Katie and Mary were in town a few weeks ago, we went thrift shopping and I found a pair of jeans. I will insert the only picture I have of before, which is like a really crappy mirror picture. But this is what I ended up cutting them into. High-waisted shorts. These are Lee jeans. I did get these from the men's department. They are size 34, which is what seems to work for me. I'm gonna try them on for you really quickly and show you kind of what I like, what I don't like, and what I want to do differently with these jeans that I picked up today. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and can I just say filming this is so weird and so different. This is like the playroom behind me, by the way. I've never done anything like full body on my channel other than pregnancy updates, so this is really weird for me, but okay. This is the first pair of jeans I ever turned into like shorts. This is what they look like. I think they're pretty good in the butt area. I'm not 100% happy with like the way that I cut them. I mean, they're not bad, but this one has a little bit more of a rollover than this side. I feel like they're a tiny bit short, and I have not distressed them yet. I really want to distress them, but I do like these. These are like more of a dark wash, and I love that they're like super high-waisted all the way over my belly button. The one thing that I did not know about buying like men's jeans or vintage jeans like Lee's, Wranglers, Levi's is they feel so good because they're so thick, but they do not stretch at all. So like they look really good like standing up, like I feel like they're super flattering, and they look really good on your butt because they do not stretch. They just like hold everything in. But the second I like sit or bend over, you definitely get a roll. And I'm just being honest, like I do not have a super flat stomach. Okay, unless you're like a bodybuilder and you have 0% body fat, you're gonna get like a little bit of a roll when you sit down and stuff. And that's a little depressing. I didn't know that. Because it's like, you don't want them to be loose. These aren't super tight. I mean, they have a little bit of room in them, but because they have zero stretch, that happens. So keep that in mind when you're buying your mom jeans. But this is the first pair that I ever redid. So I just wanted to try these on for y'all. And now I'm gonna try back on, now that I'm in the comfort of my own home, those 2 pairs of jeans that I got at Carm today. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry if the lighting is super weird. This was the best I could do as far as like getting my camera at a good angle. I'm not used to trying to get my full body in shots. But here are the Levi's back on, and I am obsessed with them. I almost like them just like as regular jeans. See if I can step back so you can see them full length. This looks super weird seeing myself on the camera. But they are high-waisted, but they don't like completely cover my belly button. They do have a tiny little bit of give in them. These are also 34s. And I just think they look great on the butt. I love that. You probably can't see, I'll hold them up, but they already have some like wear around the pockets. Actually, a lot of wear around the pockets. There's like holes there, but I love that. So I'm definitely gonna be cutting these into shorts. I don't think I'm gonna make them longer than the other ones that I showed y'all, but I am gonna start out longer and try to do more distressing with this particular pair. So I am so excited for these. Once again, these were $9.99, totally worth it. Some dude wore these jeans for like 5 years and wore them in for me, and now they're my jeans. So I'm just like obsessed with these. It's so weird, but I'm just like obsessed with old jeans now. Okay, I don't know if this angle is better at all, but here's the Wranglers. There's the booty shot. I think they're gonna look cute as shorts. They do not look as good as the Levi's. Okay, I am back on the floor in my yoga pants with my 2 pairs of jeans and my other pair of shorts as like a guide, and I'm ready to start cutting these up. There's my dog. He just got groomed today, so he's a little sad. So I am like so obsessed with these Levi's, I'm like scared to cut them. So I'm gonna save these for last. But I'm gonna start with the Wranglers, and I have watched a few videos on how to do this. And by the way, I'm like ready with my fabric scissors. You have to have fabric scissors or you will never be able to cut through jeans. So I have my left-handed fabric scissors, which yes, I'm a lefty, and yes, I'm so extra. I got the left-handed version. Okay, please excuse the mess, but so I have my jeans, and the way that I want to make my cut is like longer towards the crotch and shorter towards the outside. That's what's more flattering, and you don't want your jeans like all the way up in your, that's just the best way to cut them from the videos I've watched. So, and I also, from what I watched, you want to take them and put the front down lower so that the front ends up being longer. Okay, so I've laid my jeans out on the ground, and I have my other shorts that I made before as like a guide, and I'm unrolling them. And as you can see with these, the way they're cut, it's like longer, it's at an angle, and I think that the back is longer than the front, but I'm just going to use these as a guide and go like 2 inches longer on these Wranglers because I really want to make sure that I don't mess it up this time. Not that these other ones are messed up, but I'm just not like 100% happy with them. So let's start cutting, and then I will just try them on and see how I like it. I'm gonna try these puppies on and see how they look so far. Okay, here are the Wranglers, cut up and rolled up. We are definitely in mom jean territory right now because they are so long. Here's with like my shirt tucked in, how it would look. These are definitely mom jeans. I would not wear them like this, but it's a start. It's okay. Here they are rolled up. They still don't look super even, but I'm gonna try them on in a minute. And while I'm down here, I'm gonna make the first cut on these babies, which I'm so nervous about. But let's just do it, let's just do it. Okay, I've cut them, I've rolled them, and now it's time to try both pairs on. And I think these look so cute already. Let's do it. So Levi's, they need to be so much shorter. I'm already excited about them, but they need to be so much shorter. So I'm gonna have to cut these again. Okay, here's the Wranglers. I think these are perfect. I don't want them any shorter than this because I just wouldn't wear them. But I think these look great. We are definitely at full-on mom jean status, but that's okay. Better angle. Here's the Wranglers back on. I think these look so good. I think this is like the perfect length. I don't want them any shorter. There's the booty. I don't want them any shorter, but these are perfect, and I need to cut the Levi's a little more and then leave it right back. Here's the after on the Levi's with my shirt tucked in. I think these look so good. I do have them cuffed. I think I'm just going to wear these today. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. I hope that you had fun. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new videos. I'm gonna try to come out with a video once a week. It's really hard being a single mom to get everything filmed, edited, uploaded. I can really only film when she's napping, so that is why it is so hard. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not, and comment down below which one of these pairs of jeans was your favorite, and if you like thrift shopping. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all very soon.